Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your home value with HomeAdvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin improving your home value, start by assessing its current condition. Identify areas that may need repairs or upgrades. Consider creating a budget for any necessary improvements. Focus on curb appeal first, as this is the first impression potential buyers will have. Invest in landscaping to enhance the exterior of your home. Simple tasks like mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, and planting flowers can make a big difference. Next, evaluate the interior of your home. Start with a fresh coat of paint in neutral colors throughout the main living areas. This can create a clean, inviting atmosphere. Check for any necessary repairs, such as fixing leaky faucets or squeaky doors. Updating outdated fixtures like lighting and hardware can modernize your home. Consider your kitchen and bathrooms, as these spaces significantly impact home value. Look into minor remodels, such as replacing countertops or adding new appliances. Consult professionals through HomeAdvisor to ensure quality work. Take advantage of online resources to find reliable contractors. Once you have a plan, document each improvement you make. Keep receipts and before and after photos to showcase your efforts. Consider energy efficiency upgrades, such as better insulation or energy-efficient windows. This can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers and lower utility costs. Evaluate your home's safety features, like smoke detectors and security systems. Ensuring these are updated can provide peace of mind for potential buyers. Don't overlook the importance of cleaning and decluttering. A clean, organized home is more attractive to buyers. Finally, consider staging your home. Professional staging can highlight your home's best features. Use HomeAdvisor to find local stagers who can help with this process. After making improvements, reassess your home's value. Engage a real estate agent to get an updated estimate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.